Offered is a vintage Crawford ladies' watch brooch. It's 1/20 carat gold-filled over sterling silver, weighing 16.9 grams. This piece measures approximately 1 and 21/32 of an inch by 2 1/2 inch. It's untested and being sold as is for parts or repair. Some stones are missing, loose, or damaged. Movement is marked Crawford Swiss, 17 jewels. Brought to you by ABC Estate Auctions, we handle full, partial, and multi-estate auctions, cleanouts, and estate sales. Even if you're thinking of doing it yourself, we can help. Email us at info@abcestateauctions.com. Call or text 404-576-5471. Thanks for watching.